Christmas trees ornaments in watercolor, part 2. I want to introduce you to my new adult coloring book featuring 50 mandalas. All these mandalas were drawn with the intention to help you relax and to inspire you. All topics in the book were chosen for you to feel more comfortable when coloring the mandalas. The content includes definition of mandala, the benefits of coloring mandalas, the meaning of mandala color in psychology, tips on how to color a mandala, which colors to choose for the mandala, and many more. The book also includes a color wheel. Each mandala occupies an A4 sheet. The back of the sheet is blank, so you can feel more comfortable when coloring. Most of these hand-drawn mandalas were inspired in nature. This paper goes well with water-based markers, coloring pencils and crayons. There is also, at the end of the book, a 10 pages section for you to draw your own mandalas, and 4 pages with petals and ornaments for you to practice. If you need moments of peace, creativity and focus, this 50 mandalas coloring book was conceived for you to achieve it. I can assure you it will be a wellness experience. And more than a gift for yourself, it is also a gift for someone you love. Share it with those you love and care. You find the link to acquire it in the description below or through the QR code displayed in the video. Get it now and transform moments into art.
Gently flowing like a stream of light, whispers echo through the starry night. Melodies entwine in cosmic dance, awakening the soul, lost in trance. Harmony surrounds, within we find a universe of peace, the peace of mind. Gently flowing like a stream of light, whispers echo through the starry night. Melodies entwine in cosmic dance, awakening the soul, lost in trance. Harmony surrounds, within we find a universe of peace, the peace of mind. Gently flowing like a stream of light, whispers echo through the starry night. Melodies entwine in cosmic dance, awakening the soul, lost in trance. Harmony surrounds, within we find a universe
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more.